At 106 Group, it's our job to share a more complete story of a place. When I think about what makes us different, I think about the importance of trust and how we've worked for a long time to build those relationships, not just with clients, but also with agencies.
We have a fantastic team of skilled experts who know the laws and regulations. And the reason we can grow and take on large-scale projects is because of the process-based management system that we've developed for 106 Group.
We bring together archaeologists and planners and designers, and they're all thinking from different perspectives. We have staff who are vigorously trained in their individual professions, but they're open to the idea of we're almost 3 companies in one, and we want to hear about what other people are doing to bring context to our own work.
Our passionate and nimble team builds a right-sized approach that always places the communities involved at the center of the project.
We worked with the 106 Group to create that first St. Paul African American Historic Cultural Context Study.
By coming out to visit us and taking that and making it an integral part of your work, you're helping generations of people have the real truth about what's going on.
So a project can actually evolve over time. What we may start out with as a study to comply with resource regulation may evolve into something that incorporates interpreting the resources at that site and sharing that heritage with the community.
We are proud to have a brand new state-of-the-art lab in our new office space here in Vandalia. This is an area where we can have actually large numbers of our crew in there, hands-on with this great big influx of data. We'll have an entire process of artifacts coming in, getting cleaned, getting dried out, getting analyzed, getting logged in. We're proud to have one of the most experienced teams in the region. What sets our team apart is both, I think, the depth and breadth that we have on our full-time staff. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. So we back each other up and spread out our individual expertise across the team in a way that allows us to really expand our capacity, bringing more people into the process and finding those new ways of doing things too.
So that was my first job with 106 Group. I hired them as our consultants. I hired them many times after that for different projects around the district and liked it so much that here I am. I work here now.
And this is something we're working on right now, using 3D scanning technology to do a better job of identifying artifacts remotely that come out of the field from our crews.
There's a Walk On TP Center project here in St. Paul. It's a project that really started over 20 years ago, and over time it's evolved into an Indigenous-led effort that is interpreting what is a sacred space to a community.
Some of our client relationships have lasted over 20 years, and what that means as an interpreter working for 106 Group is that I know I can rely on processes and relationships and networks to answer questions, to troubleshoot, to find solutions.
I love working for 106 Group. The colleagues are tremendous. I really have a lot of respect for them and the knowledge they bring, the experiences they bring. The types of projects we do are important to the communities and important to people and culture, and I believe in that and I want to support that.